Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Felix Bliss. Today we are looking at one of the challenges we faced in Photoshop. Often we want to crop our image in a circular format. Is it possible in Photoshop 21, 22, and 23? I'm currently using Photoshop 21 and we are looking at how we can crop this particular picture in a circular format. So the first thing to do here is to go to this particular tool. You can also press the letter K or the frame tool. It's set as a placeholder. When you have this, just select one. Then from here, just need to crop the region on. So I just need this region. And after cropping this, you need to reposition it. Okay, so I can now position my image. Okay, so if you want to resize the shape or the cropping, if you want to resize the cropping, you can just click inside this, then come here, then resize. Very simple, like that. Okay, it's very so you see that we have cropped our image in a circular format. You just need to right click on this and then go to export as png. From here we can say circular and we will save it as png. I am Felix Bliss. I will see you in my coming video.